Hello. I know this is clearly not my best look. These braids and this hamster shirt combo are just dashing. I know, it's like how to lose a guy in 10 days. Anyways, that's not what I wanted to talk about today. Today I wanted to talk about people I want to punch in the face. And I'm not even violent, but there are days where I just want to punch people in the face. The first person I want to punch in the face is that person that insults your intelligence by trying to help you. Like someone who's like, "Oh, honey, come here. Oh, honey." And they're like the same age as you, okay? And they're like, "Oh, honey, come here. Oh, let's take out those braids. Let's just take those out." Like, what were you thinking? And you're like, I don't give a shit. Clearly, I don't care. I did this for a reason, and I don't give a fuck what you think about it. And I don't need your help. Especially when, like, someone should be focusing on their own problems in their own life, and yet they're so focused on these fucking braids that I have in my hair, and they feel like they need to help me by taking them out. Like, no. You deserve a punch in the face. Focus on yourself. It drives me freaking nuts. Or they're like, "Oh, come here, come here. You should really push your cuticles back." It's like, I don't give a fuck about my cuticles. I bite my nails. I don't give a shit. I don't need your help. And, like, you're not helping me because I don't care. And you should really be focusing on maybe, like, your nails. Like, I don't care about your nails, so why do you care about mine? Drives me nuts. The second person that should be punched in the face is someone who lies to you for absolutely no reason. For example, if someone were to come up to you and they're like, "Oh, I just wanted to let you know, but I am pregnant," and you're the first person to know. You're the very first person I told. I haven't even told anybody else yet. You're the first person, and you're like, okay, I don't fucking care that you're even pregnant in the first place. You're not even my friend. Why the fuck do I care? And then you go to find out, like, 2 weeks later that they actually told, like, a bunch of other people before they even told you. And you're like, why? Why would you even lie about that? I didn't even give a fuck that you were pregnant in the first place. And now I find out that you're lying about it. Like, I don't even care. What was the point of lying to me when I don't even care? I don't care. At all. I don't care. But anyways, that deserves a punch in the face. It drives me nuts. Like, why lie? I don't understand it. And the third person that should be punched in the face is somebody who cannot take the blame for anything that they do. Like, over something so stupid. Like, you ask them something and they're like, "Oh, no, it wasn't me. Definitely wasn't me." Like, there was no one else in the room, so clearly it had to be them, but they won't take the blame for it. It drives me nuts. It's like, you were the only one here. There was nothing else. Or there's, like, incriminating evidence against that person, and you know that it was them, but they don't think that you know. And it's like, I know you did it. Why are you lying? I don't know. Those are three people that I feel like should be punched in the face, and I really needed to get that off my chest, and I feel a lot better now, and now maybe I won't punch someone in the face. No, I'm just kidding. I've never punched anybody in the face, but, like, today, I could not handle myself. I felt like I needed to just rant about it, so, I am, and now I won't punch anybody in the face. Bye!